Multicraft is a mix of things. I'm currently in the HVAC module, but I've already done plumbing, welding, industrial and residential electricity. So I'm learning a lot. It's mainly focused on maintenance. You're to be a Multicraft technician. So the idea is that you know enough of everything to fix problems where they occur. This is industrial electricity here, and you're going to have a board where you can control all the electricity, how it functions from there. So there's an emergency stop button here, which you push that, it'll lock into place, and that'll cut off any connection, immediately stopping the machine from working. I mean, the people here are great, the teachers here are pretty great, and learning stuff is fun. Getting my hands dirty is fun. I also think it'd just be valuable to be able to pass on to other people if you have kids, you know, teach them that, and then they'll have a boost going forward in their own life.